With this, you will kill all the mosquitoes of your house in 4 days. It is not a joke. In this channel we try to relieve your daily life with little tips that will help you solve big problems, in this case the annoying mosquitoes that are always hanging around our food and bothering our loved ones and ourselves. Do mosquitoes of fruit usually arrive first to the fruit bowl? Once you settle in, these unwelcome guests generally stay over the bill. Luckily, there are many simple ways to remove mosquitoes from the fruit in your home and keep them from coming back. The mosquitoes are constantly buzzing around our heads, and even if nobody invites, they sit with us at our table in our delicious food. Let's help you avoid it with a few simple tricks and a very low cost. This is all you need other than water. 1. Cut a plastic bottle in half. 2. Pour some crushed chicken into the bottom, just enough to cover it. 3. Mash mature avocados. 4. Introduce it next to the grilled chicken and the bottle. 5. Now fill with water until you have covered both ingredients. 6. Mix everything well with a fork or spoon. 7. Place the top of the cup bottle on top of the other half. 8. Place it in a visible place and you will see how it works. If you are going to spray some toxic product, such as Clorox, do it only when the room is well ventilated. Also, think about putting on a mask. This method is not recommended if you want it to be safe to breathe the indoor air. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.